What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm with Little Soup.
And his gay friend Tommy.
I'm this kid.
I'm here too,
There's
guys.
Little Soup! Oh, and if you guys didn't notice, I got the Toasty jacket, the Sky skin, and the 4th of July hat. And you know, Little
Hey
Soup
Tommy,
has
come
the
over here
sombrero.
real quick.
And this is Tommy.
Hey Tommy, come over here. Tommy, come over here real
So
quick.
today we are going to do a Haunted Mansion run with Tommy because he is very poor. He needs some money. So we're going to help out a new player.
Tommy, come over here. Come over here, Tommy.
And yeah, he's also subscribed to both of us. So we're helping out a subscriber too. So let's get on with it.
Tommy.
The frick? What just happened, Little Soup?
I didn't know she could come in here.
She can, but who had the... Why'd you turn your light on? His light's on. We gotta go down. Come on. Oh, sorry, guys. Tommy just died, so we're gonna go make him some money. Oh, look at that.
Okay. Wait, Foxtrot. I mind you put the stuff in your backpack.
No, I want to mine.
Okay, well then I just sit here and do nothing because I don't have that.
You could still mine, dude. It's not like...
Oh, yeah. Hey! Oh, dude, I didn't know. I forgot that can damage you.
Guys, I'm coming back. Just wait for me.
Dude, just stay there. We'll get you this money. Break! Not worth it.
I can get it for you.
No, you definitely can't. My backpack's heavy. Don't grab it. It'll make you go upside down. You might just get sick too.
Yo, bro, it's not open.
It's because we're already inside.
There's a lot more blue. There's a lot more blue.
All right, I'll save backpack space. Also, it's kind of unfair that just you get to mine because this gives out company coins.
Guys, it's not open.
Behind you, Foxtrot. Behind you and up. Behind you. Right there.
No, we don't need it all. There's also some downstairs too.
Let's get out of here.
Yo, you know what applied to me? It's not open.
Frick!
Hello? Hello?
1 second.
1 second, we're
Escaping.
No one's here. I'm at the door and I can't get in.
Oh wait, maybe there isn't any blue.
Just tell me, please. I want to get in.
Oh my god, my
Can we
backpack.
leave?
No, my backpack is like really heavy.
I want my loot.
Okay, just put it on your back. It'll make it less heavy.
I know how the game works.
Okay, can we leave?
Yep. Backpack's full. Oh man, I hate that.
Hello, friends. I don't want one.
Oh my god.
You're big back right.
Woohoo! Oh, Tommy!
We're back.
Yay! Tommy, we've got you a special present. Tommy's all the... Tommy, come back to Stump. We have you a very special gift.
Guys, I'm in.
Oh god, he just got into Haunted Mansion.
Oh my god. Bro,
We're gonna sell this and just watch your money go up.
But I'm not there.
Ready? Don't sell it with me in it. It'll sell everything I have.
Okay, is that all?
Yes, it is.
Yay! Showtime! Yay! I was 20!
A lot, that's for sure. Oh.
That will not buy me a revolver. That is.
Well, that's because revolvers
No,
aren't
no, no.
needed. Revolvers aren't important.
That's about 2 grapplers.
Oh wait, no,
Okay,
Tommy
then
didn't make any money
Why?
because he's all the way in Haunted Mansion.
You just gotta turn your Wi-Fi on and then turn it back on.
Hey, how much money did you get?
5,000.
Let's
Good,
go.
boy.
How much did you have before?
700 sank.
700, and you have 5,000 now? All right, so you're not poor anymore.
I have $541,000.
All right, so Little Soup, I think they got rid of Planetarium.
They did?
But we are gonna go check. Everybody, put your pickaxes on your left hip slot. Get a rocket.
Okay.
We are gonna go check if Planetarium's there because I've seen it. No, Little Soup, don't go down there. Little Soup, they added anglerfish and Armstrong. Do not go down there. We are gonna glitch to Planetarium.
Oh.
I literally spent almost 3 hours yesterday looking for it back there, and I couldn't find it. I ran into angler.
wait.
I ran into multiple
What do
different
I need?
Armstrongs and one spider.
What stuff do I need?
A grappler and a rocket.
Okay, I got that.
We're gonna rocket to Planetarium, okay?
I need research
Makes sense.
points if I can get them. I got 1.
Yeah, there's research points down in Planetarium. That's why we're going, because I need company coins.
Honey company. You don't need company coins.
Yes,
You
I
have plenty
do.
of cosmetics.
I'm trying to save up for something.
I have 140 company coins.
140? Dang, bro.
I have 35 because I just bought my fun sombrero.
I have 965.
Damn.
I'm saving up for a jacket, though, so... I don't know if I want to wear a toasty jacket all the time. Ogre is glitched. Oh, Ogre disappeared. All right, guys. Right there where Ogre was just glitched at is a hole. Look. Look at the size of this hole. You see that? Look at the size of it. Yeah, they need to definitely repair. Wait, don't jump down. Uh-oh. Never
There's
mind,
lava
we have to
down
go
there.
find a different hole. We have to go find a different hole.
I know another hole. Follow me. Everyone follow me. I know another one.
Wait, no, there's a hole right here. Come back, come back, come back. There's a hole right here, too. Dang, bro.
Oh my god.
Map is so broke. Anybody see Planetarium? What are those balls?
That's the
Anybody?
that's the crystals. That's the blue crystals.
You're right. Good thinking.
I think it's
I'm looking under
behind
the map.
this.
Guys, I don't see
Planet-
any Planetarium anymore, guys.
But
All right, we're
follow
gonna go
me,
check
follow me,
my
guys,
hole
follow
because
me.
I saw Planetarium the other day in my hole, but they might have actually gotten rid of Planetarium, which would be crazy since it's a brand new map. Why am I so heavy? I feel like I'm heavy. I mean, I know I'm not, but I feel like I'm heavy.
You're pretty heavy.
Says you. Right here, guys.
I did
Another hole. Watch out.
They
Another
literally
one?
There's a
They
landmine.
just make. They just.
Oh, mine.
They bring it back.
Yes, perfect, perfect. This is exactly where I was. And I see absolutely... I see Planetarium. I see Planetarium. I see it. It's right there. 3,
Ready, guys?
2, 1.
I don't
Go.
see it. I don't see it. I don't see it.
I died. Oh my god.
So, I got KO'd.
It killed us both. Oh god.
I saw Tommy get in there, though. Tommy made it.
Tommy, are you in Planetarium?
Yes,
Okay, we
sir.
might want to bring 2 rockets this time, and we want to stay up high, maybe?
Yeah.
Maybe. We're going to try it one more time.
no,
Just
I need
don't
more.
don't bring your grappler this time because it's so expensive. I'm going to
Okay,
see
research points.
what I can buy. I'm going to see how much I need to save for my jacket.
By the way, you talked about Tommy grinding everything right now.
2,000. That's okay. He needs it. Way more than we do. I just want to see where planetarium is for other times. Yes, guys. I did just buy an Uwu backpack. But it's for a good reason. So these can't go in your hip slot? Alright. So you can't get a bunch of rockets to go in your hip slot. Pianosaurus. Are you making it, Little Soup?
I'm in planetarium. Yeah, so am I.
On my way. Yo! Wait, it's so bright in here. They've changed. It's so bright now. Did you guys notice that it's really bright?
Yeah.
Did you notice that it's like really bright in here, Little Soup?
Yo, what's this?
That is, we don't know yet.
See me down here!
Wait, there's no gravity anymore. Frank, we're stuck. I have an idea.
I already tried that.
Yeah, well, you also
So
suck
I'll
at the
jump-
game, so.
Do you guys want me to come back with a saddle?
No. What? Frick? Frick? What? Frick!
I'm gonna come back with some saddles.
What's that gonna do?
You can ride on my back and I can bring you up.
Do you have a hook?
Fuck, we need to get out of here now.
What are we supposed to do? There's gotta be a way to get back up, bro. Do you also notice it's like way brighter now?
You said that 5.
Let me see your crowbar. No, let me see it. I want to hold it. I need it. I want to try something. Little Soup, please. Let me get out of here, bro. I'll help you. I promise. I'm not going to leave you. I hate you.
It's over there. No, you don't.
Oh, no, but I do. Bah.
You're not gonna get in the pipe in that.
I have an idea. I have an idea.
I already tried that idea.
Did you?
Depends on what your failing idea is. So.
I'm coming back. You guys still there?
Yes.
I'm not seeing very much of you getting back. That's exactly what I've done every time.
Is it though?
You're not gonna make it.
I mix matched my hands. Sorry.
Wait, 1 second. Give me my. Wait, 1 second. 1 second. Boss up. Give me my crowbar. Give me my crowbar.
No, I'm using it to get out. I'm gonna show you that I'm not as bad at the game as you think.
Oh, well, I'll just get up. Okay, I'm just gonna get up by just getting up.
All right, you have fun.
Go on my back.
Hold
Go
on.
my back.
I am gonna get out of here. Turtle soup.
Yeah, I'm gonna need my crowbar.
Oh, whoops.
That's fine.
So nobody brought me a grapple hook?
Blue!
Bro!
Tommy!
Hello?
My crowbar!
Hello? Hey, down here. Yeah, I'm good at the game if the gravity was working in here. Thank you. Listen, I freaking hate
Go on
you.
my back. Grab on my back.
You remember he's too good for
Wait,
you.
why
He's
didn't
too
you
good
bring
at
an
the game
extra
for
grappler? Never said
I couldn't
that.
hold it.
Can you let
you.
me?
He did.
No, never
Fuck
said
up, he
that.
did. He gave it to the better YouTuber.
That's true. That's true.
He gave it to the better YouTuber.
What the frick?
Oh yeah.
It made me let go.
Oh my god. It's lagging.
Go Tommy! You have to get me out the door. There's no more gravity in here. It's because we glitched.
Now everyone eat 2 of these. We can get home by that thing.
No, let's just get out of that door. Fine.
Is everyone 8-2?
Yeah.
Cover my back.
Wait, no, I want to be a little smaller. Come here.
My back.
I missed. I can't reach.